Right, it's that time again. Time for our Power Maths. Well done. And thank you so much for showing me all of your work yesterday. It was really interesting to see what you thought were happening in each of the photos and how you would order them in terms of the day. So we're having a look at our first, then later, aren't we? So for today's session, we're going to carry on having one more question about yesterday's pictures, and then we're going to be thinking about our own sequence for our own days. So yesterday we looked at these pictures, didn't we, of Alex. Alex going to bed and having a story, Alex playing football, maybe with his sister, and Alex having dinner, again, maybe with his sister. So today we're having a bit of a challenge and we're having a think about, what do you think Alex did before his bed? So we can see in the photo he's already got a book. What do you think he actually did before he climbed into bed? What do you do before you go to bed? Pause the clip and see if you can have a think about the sequence of what you do before you go to bed. How did you get on? So here on the side, one of the Power Maths boys are saying that he cleans his teeth before he goes to bed. Do you clean your teeth before you go to bed? I always do, and I always make sure Oscar does as well, because it's the most important brush of the day. Otherwise, all of that sugar and everything else from the day just sits on your teeth all night long, and it doesn't make them very good. So we always make sure we brush our teeth lots before we go to sleep. And the Power Maths girl at the bottom says, what happens after bath time? So that makes me think maybe she has a bath before she goes to bed. Do you? I bet some of you have baths. I bet some of you have showers. I bet some of you just have a really good wash. I don't know. At night time, Oscar likes having the shower on, but putting the plug in, so it ends up making a bath. And then he plays with all of his toys in his bath. And then we get out, brush our teeth, put his pajamas on, and then he climbs into bed before he has his bedtime story. So that's his sequence before he goes to sleep. Now, adults at home, you're probably the same as me. Before you go to bed, you do a million jobs. You make sure the washing up's done, you put all the things away, get the clothes out ready for the next day, pack lunches, oh, the lot. So our sequence before we go to sleep would be a very long one, I'm sure. So Alex is reading a story in his bedtime. And maybe he brushed his teeth beforehand. Maybe he had a bath. Maybe he had a little play in his room first. Maybe he read a story by himself first. It's up to you what you think Alex did before he went to sleep. Now for today's session, in your packs, you will find a sheet with today's date on, and it is asking you, what do you do each day? And it's only giving you 3 boxes. So we're looking for a first, then later. Okay, so you could have a go first at thinking about something that's really close in the day. So for example, I've made this one. First, I wake up. Oh, and I have a big stretch. So first, I wake up. Then I have a shower. Make sure I'm all clean. Later, I brush my teeth. So first I wake up. Then I have a shower. Later, I brush my teeth. Now, this is my sequence really early in the morning. So these 3 things happen straight after each other. So you might want to have a go at doing that for your work today. What 3 things do you do in the morning straight after each other? Or you could think about the whole day. So for example, I might say first, I eat my breakfast. It's not the very first thing I do in a day, but it comes before my other 2 I'm about to say. So first, I eat my breakfast. Then I work. At the minute, working means sat in front of a laptop recording clips for you. I much preferred work when I could go into school and see you and teach you properly, but we're okay for now, aren't we? So first we have breakfast. Then I do my work. Later, I watch TV. I need a bit of downtime before I go to sleep, so I watch a little bit of TV. So this is my day really spread out, but I've only chosen 3 things. First, I have breakfast, then I do my work, later I can watch TV. So it's up to you how you do your work today. 3 things that are close next to each other, or 3 things that are spread out during your day. So have a little think first, talk it through if you can with someone at home before you start drawing, and then have a go at drawing your answers. We're not looking too much for writing, we're looking for you drawing about what happens in your day. If you want to add in a little bit of writing, that's fine, you can do. But we're having a look today at what you do first, then later. Don't forget to take a photo of your sheet and upload it onto Dojo so I can have a little look what your day sequence looks like. I can't wait to see them.